Hello, Turbo Girl. We are going to learn about conjunctions for this lesson. When we need to join two things together, we use glue. In English, when we need to join ideas or sentences together, we need to use glue too. But we do not use this type of glue. Instead, we use conjunctions. Let's call conjunctions linking words. For today's lesson, we will be learning 4 types of conjunctions, or linking words, that are used to show the result of something. The linking words are so, therefore, hence, and thus. Let's look at an example in 1. 1. The thorn tore Benny's wings. Benny could not fly for 3 weeks. The first sentence tells us what happened. The thorn tore Benny's wings. The second sentence, Benny could not fly for 3 weeks, tells us the result of what happened in the first sentence. The thorn tore Benny's wings, and that is why he could not fly for 3 weeks. When we want to join 2 sentences with one sentence telling us the result of another sentence, we can use the linking word so. Let's learn the steps to join these 2 sentences using the linking word so. Step 1. Put the linking word so in between the 2 sentences. Step 2. Change Benny in the second sentence to the pronoun he. Step 3. Remove the full stop at the end of the first sentence. So we have 1a. The thorn tore Benny's wings, so he could not fly for 3 weeks. Let's now look at the other 3 conjunctions, hence, therefore, and thus. These 3 linking words are also conjunctions of result, but they sound more formal than the conjunction so. You have to remember that when you use these 3 conjunctions, you need to add another conjunction, and before, hence, therefore, and thus. So, when we use the linking word hence, the sentence becomes 1b. The thorn tore Benny's wings, and hence he could not fly for 3 weeks. When we use the linking word therefore, the sentence becomes 1c. The thorn tore Benny's wings, and therefore he could not fly for 3 weeks. When we use the linking word thus, the sentence becomes 1d. The thorn tore Benny's wings, and thus he could not fly for 3 weeks. For the conjunction so, we can choose either to add or leave out n. 1a. The thorn tore Benny's wings, and so he could not fly for 3 weeks. However, this is not compulsory, unlike hence, therefore, and thus. That is why 1b. The thorn tore Benny's wings, hence he could not fly for 3 weeks, is incorrect. Turbo Girl, can you remember what we have learned today?
Yes, we have learned 4 types of conjunctions or linking words that are used to show the result of something. The linking words are so, therefore, hence, and thus. For example, 1a. The thorn tore Benny's wings, so he could not fly for 3 weeks. If we use the linking words therefore, hence, and thus, we must add another linking word, and. So the sentence becomes 1b. The thorn tore Benny's wings, and hence he could not fly for 3 weeks. 1c. The thorn tore Benny's wings, and therefore he could not fly for 3 weeks. 1d. The thorn tore Benny's wings, and thus He could not fly for 3 weeks.
Good work, Turbo Girl.